YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks, and in this video we're gonna go over how to set up indicators in ThinkorSwim. Just recently we posted a video on how to download and set up ThinkorSwim. ThinkorSwim is a trading platform that I use to see all of my charts, follow data, trends, make support and resistance lines. This is where I search stocks, scan for stocks, look at option probabilities, in the money, out of the money, all of that stuff. ThinkorSwim is my go-to application for trading stocks. Like I said in this video, I want to show you how I actually add indicators to ThinkorSwim and how you can set them up, and just kind of go over a little bit of what each indicator does and how it can help you in your trades. So this is probably going to be a short video, but sometimes I can run my mouth, so I'll try and keep it as short as I can. But first, you already know the drill. If this is your first time watching this video, please make sure you click that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. Also, make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video for you guys. Trust me, you don't want to miss these uploads. So I think my phone vibrated or something. I did not fart. I hope you didn't think I did. Let's go ahead. Let's jump into ThinkorSwim right now. So let me turn my screen record on. Okay, so right now we are in ThinkorSwim, and this is just a basic stock. I'm looking at Tesla right now. And so as you see right here, this is just your chart. Regular chart right here. I don't know why this is so big, but we have our volume, and this is the MACD and the RSI. So these are my favorite 4 indicators that I use to trade stocks. I know there's a lot of other ones, but these are just the ones that I mainly use. Some people don't. So indicators are just tools to help you along in your trading. By themselves, they're not trustworthy. You really can't go off of just one indicator if you get a buy or sell signal or any kind of signal that you're getting. You always want to use indicators in pairs. If you see something in RSI that you like, match it with another indicator. Like you can match up RSI with MACD or volume. You always want to use multiple indicators to go along with your strategies and your trades. All I'm basically saying is don't just go off of one indicator. You always want to use them at least in pairs, 2 minimum. You never just want to use one. Always the 2 plus. The most popular indicators are the RSI indicator, or the relative strength index, MACD, moving average convergence divergence. You of course have your volume, and then you have your moving averages. And most used, the 2 moving averages are the exponential moving average, or EMA, or the simple moving average, SMA. And so just in short, you have volume, which is basically just the number of shares that are bought or sold in one single trading day on that stock. So if the volume is 1 million plus on the day, on the trading day, it'll usually tell you what the volume is. That just means in that time period, that's how many times that stock has been bought or sold, transactioned. Then you have the RSI, or the relative strength index. It's a momentum indicator that compares recent price gains and price losses. And so we always say with the RSI, it's going to signal to you when the stock is being overbought or oversold, meaning that a lot of people are either buying into the stock or selling off. That's literally what causes price movement or volatility, so buying and selling. And we always say with the RSI, a stock is oversold when it's below 30 and overbought when it's below 70, or when it's above 70. You have the MACD, or the moving average convergence divergence, and that basically follows trends, and it's just going to show you the strength of a trend. I'm not going to get into all of that right now. I'm going to have a separate video really diving into each indicator and how you can use them to help you in your trades, but this is just going to be basic, brief. And lastly, it's just the basic, the moving averages, and it's pretty much what it sounds like. It's averages of different price points over a certain period of time, and it's used to analyze the market, identify trends. And the 2 types of moving averages, like I said, are the simple moving averages, the SMAs, and the exponential moving averages, EMAs. I like to use the EMA. One or the other, they're not better than the other. It really just depends on how you use them. It's a tool. So tools are used to, perform a task. So I mean, you can use the hammer to open the coconut, or you can just, use a little sharp thing. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, they're all just tools. So none is really better than the other. It's just that you would use them in different situations. And yeah, so that's that. I don't even know why we got into that tangent. So that's just a basic rundown of the indicators that we're gonna be talking about. Now we can just get into ThinkorSwim, and we have all of the indicators right here. So what I wanna do is I just want to make this blank. I wanna start fresh, new. So you see how we have this right here? This is just bare, basic. All you see is the chart, the candlestick chart. This isn't candlestick. Maybe, let me go ahead and I'm gonna change it to regular line style. Line. Okay, so this is just your basic chart, line graph, no indicators. All you have right here is literally just the price, and you see it shows green here when it's in an uptrend, and it's red when it's in a down, and then down here you have your volume. So, okay, look, the volume right here is 85, around 85 million plus. So that lets you know how popular Tesla is. Go Tesla. When you want to add different indicators to your chart, first step you want to do is you want to click right here on this little scientific looking flask thing. Hello, chemistry major here. Hi. But okay, click on that and you're going to get this screen right here. It says edit studies and strategies. So this is just basically a list of indicators, or it's called here studies. And then you have strategies over here. So they have a few little different tricks and sleeves and all that. So yeah, so you want to make sure you're here in the studies column, and then you see these little three slots right here. You have price, volume, and lower. So basically that's just a section of the chart. So you have something that's in the price area, you have things that are in the volume area, and then you have things that are underneath them. So I know this is a lot right now, but it's gonna make sense in a little bit. Just hold on. So the first thing you want to do is come over here and you want to type in or search for the particular indicator that you want to add. So the first thing I'm going to add is the RSI, or the relative strength index. So you can click it and press add selected, or just double click it, and it's going to add it to the lower area. So I guess I can just show it to you. I want to show it to you like real time. But when it says lower, that's an area underneath this volume right here. So right here, this is the price area, this is the volume, and underneath it is just going to be a separate chart that is not on top of, or it's not involved with the volume or the price or anything like that. I think I'm rambling, hold on. So when you want it to actually apply it to your chart, before you press OK, you want to press apply. So press apply, and you see how this is the RSI right here, but you see how it just kind of popped up underneath this volume. So that's what it means, the lower areas down here. So that's the lower. I added the wrong one. Okay, I thought it looked different. Okay, see, look, apply, it's gonna go. RSI, I had the wrong one. So click RSI, double click it, and apply. Okay, that's the RSI we know and love. So you see all this in the red, that means it's overbought, and then anything down here in the blue, oversold, meaning a lot of people are selling off. So if you see right now here, Tesla right now would be, I guess, a decent time to get in before it's overbought, but you would use other indicators. I wouldn't just look at the RSI and make that assessment. You have to look at RSI, match it with another indicator to make your decisions, buy and entry points. So that's how you add the RSI. Let's get one more example for the price one. Okay, price ones in the price area, that's gonna be the moving averages. So the moving averages, those are based on price movement. So that's where those are automatically gonna go. They're gonna go over the chart here. So let's type in, can you type in EMA? No, it's not gonna be that. It's gonna be exponential. Moving average, okay, EMA. I don't know why they have it written like that. So you see it automatically added that in there, exponential moving average. Oh, and let me tell you here. So you see it added it to our chart here. This blue line right here is our exponential moving average. Use this as one of our indicators, but as far as buying and selling or holding the stock to maximize your profit, when the price is over the EMA line, or when the EMA line is underneath the price, that's a sign of an uptrend. Okay, so you see right here, this blue EMA line is under the price. Why am I even talking about this? I'm trying to show you how to get this stuff on here, but I just wanted to throw that little tidbit in. And then on the opposite, when the price is underneath the EMA line, that's a sign of a price decline. So that's just a little throw in there, it's just a little tip. But let's go back to the studies. And what's the last thing I want to add? Oh, I'm going to add MACD in here. So add MACD, so that'll be in the lower. And you can organize them, you can just drag drag them on top of each other like that. Apply. I don't like that. Oh, okay, so you see right here, it has both of these in the same square, so that's why it's on top of each other. So you can just drag this down into its own box, and then boom, there you have it. Okay, and oh, another thing I wanted to show you, like I said, you see how you have this exponential moving line? So let's say if I wanted to add, because they have different strategies where you have 2 moving average lines. So let me just add another, let me add the simple moving average. Okay, so you see how I have 2? They're both the same color, and that is not helpful at all. What did I just press? So when you want to go in here and change the color of one, you just click this little settings clip here. You go down here, you can change the color. I'll make it red. No, I'll make it pink. And you can change different drawings. You can have it as, you know, you can have it a straight line, squiggly line, dots, however you want it, dotted, strided, Morse code, whatever. And here, these different prices, like you can have it at the price close or the price open. These are all different volumes. I just keep it at close. You can change it to whatever you want. The length is basically just the time frame. So this will be over what, a 9-day period. You can do 9, 50 day, 100 day, 200 day, however many days you want to do it. And they have different strategies of having multiple. Okay, so you see how I changed it to that purple? They have multiple strategies of having 2 or more moving averages on your chart, and when they cross over each other, that'll give you a buy or sell signal. So I'll talk about that in a different video. Okay, so this is adding all of your indicators to the chart, okay? So when you've added that, you want to save it, because if you don't save it and you exit out of the software, you'll lose it. So the way that you save it is you go right here, see this little second little line binder looking thing? Click that, go under studies and add save study set. So you can I'll just name mine Black Girl Stocks and press save so that you can come back to this later. I have a few different ones. So you go under studies, load set. So I have BGS, I have basics, one's for just a simple look and one's for a swing trade. So, you know, it kind of looks the same, but I don't know, it's not the same. So those are just different ways that you can add the indicators on there. So, I mean, it's pretty basic. It's just practice, muscle memory. And another thing that I wanted to show you, as far as looking at your charts and graphs and making support and resistance points and things like that, you see how right here when this price ends, I think this is probably at the last recorded time of the day after hours. What time is this? So you see right here, the last recorded point, like that's all you see on the chart. So it really, I don't know, it's really close. So I'll show you a way that you can add a little bit of space here so that you can kind of draw more of your study support and resistance line. And it'll feel like it gives you some room so that you'll feel like you can make a prediction. Here, it's just like, I don't know what's gonna happen next. So the way that you add space to that is right next to where we found the studies, you're gonna click on this little setting thing. Okay, you wanna go to time axis, and then right here where it says expansion area, so many bars to the right, that's to the right of the chart as is. We can put a number like 100 and apply. I made it too big. Okay, so you see how it just kind of gives you some space, and you know, you can add a little tool or something to it if you wanted to add a support or resistance line. Hold on, let me see. I don't know. That's pretty much it. I think I was a little bit all over the place, but this is pretty much just how you add indicators to your ThinkorSwim chart and how you save it. You may have a different setup for a different strategy or a different time period, different time frame, and things like that. And also, I'll go over it a little bit more. I'll make a series of videos for ThinkorSwim. I didn't want to cram everything into one video. I really just wanted this to be short to get you in the hang of using indicators. I know a lot of people, they may feel a little bit uncomfortable, but it's like reading a book. Once you learn how to read the book, it's really gonna help you to make better decisions on your trades, maximize your profits, and make you more money. So that's pretty much it. That's all I have for this video. Leave a comment below and let me know if you guys want to watch a video where I really break down each indicator and maybe 1 or 2 strategies for each that you can use to make money. Like, would you want to see a video like that? Leave a comment below and let me know if you want to see an indicator video. Let me know. That's pretty much all I have for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you got any kind of value from it using your indicators. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up the video, like the video, and make sure that you are subscribed and click the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put up and upload the new video, new topic. Yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching the channel, and I'll catch you next time. All right.